So I heard you want to earn some extra income by working from home. So here are a few quick printable products that you can sell on Etsy today to start earning some income. So as we all know, Etsy is literally the most easy e-commerce platform there is. It's so easy to set up, it's so easy to start earning money, and it's even easier if you're doing it by creating and selling digital products. So we are going to get right into this video. I don't want to hold you guys. The first digital product we're going to be talking about to sell on Etsy is going to be calendars. So calendars are always going to be popular because it allows people to plan ahead. Stop. So now that I got your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to become a part of the notification gang, and you will never miss one of my videos. Back into the program. And the cool thing about calendars is that you have to repurchase them every year. So if you're selling an awesome calendar, people are going to want to come back to purchase your calendar for the following year. The second digital product we're going to talk about is actually coloring pages. So you can create coloring pages for children and also for adults. You can choose to create these pages on your own by hand drawing them, or you can choose to go to platforms where you can purchase commercial licensed coloring pages. So by purchasing the commercial licensed pages, this gives you the right to reproduce and sell these products as your own. So number 3 is actually going to be educational pages. These pages are perfect for homeschooling moms or just moms who like to do learning activities with their children. I'm a homeschooling mom, and I can tell you guys that I purchase a lot of teaching and educational pages on Etsy. So as a homeschooling mom, I don't really have the time to Google search and find a bunch of different work pages. This is where Etsy's digital products come in. These people already have them set up, and so can you. So the fourth thing we're going to be talking about to sell on Etsy is going to be financial trackers. So these are going to be budget printables that allows people to track their finances and spending. This is also an amazing way for people to track their bills and the debit that they owe. These, I can tell you, are very highly recommended. And number 5, and the last thing to sell on Etsy as a digital product is actually going to be Instagram feed content. These are packages that influencers purchase to have their page look in sync. These packages tend to come with quotes, it could come with pictures, it comes in different color schemes, so influencers definitely purchase these. And as a plus for this subject is actually going to be presets. This is also for influencers. Presets are things that influencers use. We download them right away and import them into an app, and it's used to keep our Instagram pages in the same color theme. So presets would definitely be a plus. I know there is a high demand for presets. I use them myself, and I know a lot of people who also use presets. So definitely look into presets. They're so easy to create. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video for 5 digital products you can start selling today on Etsy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, bye.